Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how can you make rules for Discord server. To make rules for Discord server, you want to open up a browser and log into your Discord account. So on the web address bar, you want to type in discord.com. After you're logged in, it's going to directly take you to the home page. So here, you could go ahead and make sure to set up your channel, or you could simply go ahead and click on create one for me and click on the next button. On this field, you want to scroll down and make sure to tap on I agree and understand. Click on finish setup. Once actually done it then you want to come to safety setup and go to DM and spam protection. Click on edit. Once you've actually done it what next you want to do is you simply want to go ahead and make sure to toggle the button for hide DMs from all of these. So next field, you'll be able to see member must accept rules before they can talk on the DMs. And once you've actually done it then you want to go ahead and click on setup and follow the on-screen prompt. And with that being said, you'll have successfully made rules for Discord server. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.